What if sharing a link online could lead you to legal trouble? In today's digital age, understanding how the law applies to our online actions is crucial. The case of Avinash Bajaj versus State, NCT of Delhi, is a striking example. It emphasizes the legal pitfalls of using the internet and the relevance of the Information Technology Act, 2000. So, why should you care about this case and its implications? Let's dive into the issue, the rules, the application, and the conclusions of this landmark case. The issue at hand in this case begins in 2008. Avinash Bajaj was accused of promoting obscenity through an online platform. The complaint stemmed from a movie being distributed on his website without proper regulations. The film Gandu faced significant backlash for its explicit content. Now, you might be wondering, how did he get involved? Bajaj was the administrator of the website where the movie was being shared. This raised questions about who is responsible for content posted online. Now, let's look at the relevant laws involved. The Information Technology Act, 2000, was established to regulate online activities. A notable section of this act is Section 66A. It addresses sending offensive messages through communication service, essentially anything online. But this section drew a lot of controversy, leading to discussions about freedom of expression. The case was prompted by users sharing the uncensored version of the movie. When it reached the legal system, key aspects came into focus. One important aspect was how the law viewed intermediaries, those who facilitate online content. Did Bajaj have legal liability just for hosting the content? The court argued that he did. But this isn't simply about Bajaj and his actions. It highlights broader concerns about user responsibility on the internet. The court's ruling also touched on the balance between artistic expression and legal restrictions. In discussing the court's decisions, we see how the Information Technology Act plays a pivotal role. So, what were the conclusions drawn from this case? Firstly, it underscored the need for content regulation on digital platforms. It prompted discussions on the ethical responsibilities of website administrators. This case helped to clarify how laws apply to online activities. The judgment influenced how future cases would tackle similar issues. It became a landmark case guiding the legal framework surrounding digital content. Now, how does this case relate to our everyday online activities? Whenever we share or post anything online, we should think about its legality. Many users feel anonymous online, but responsibility remains. We should all be aware of what we share and how it can be perceived legally. Let's remember the lessons learned from Avinash Bajaj's experience. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, the law is constantly catching up. We need to stay informed about our rights and responsibilities. Before we wrap up, let's think about your online presence. Are you contributing to discussions ethically? If you have thoughts on this case, I encourage you to share them below. Remember, the law applies online just like it does in the real world. Being aware helps protect you and promotes a safer community online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into legal cases and their impact on our everyday lives.